Alrighty, so I told you I'd be getting a windshield here pretty soon. Finally couldn't stand looking at it anymore, so we had a new one put in today. Looks pretty good from the outside. I'll go ahead and show you what I'm not so happy with. Well, couple things here, man. Wherever you go, they always got someone that has no attention to detail and destroys shit. You can see right here, they scratched the cowl up, and I've already tried to buff this out with my Meguiar's polish cleaner, and it's not taking it out. Got it there, and got some stuff here. You can definitely see it in the light. I'm definitely not happy about it, and I will be contacting the company. I couldn't see it because it was nighttime. It was dark when I got it back. Definitely not happy about that though. And then the other thing I'm not too happy about is inside. The old windshield was real tight up to here. I don't know if you can see it, but there is actually a pretty damn big gap. And right there where my GPS is mounted, that blob, that's urethane. That's that windshield urethane, and you can see the gap. I mean, the gap is as wide as my work light right there. See, I can actually put that in there. I don't know. I think that's extremely sloppy workmanship right there. It's like that around the whole bottom. But I understand. It's an old vehicle, but still, you know what? It wasn't like that when I went in. Put it back right. Don't scratch my paint. So anyways, I'll be contacting them tomorrow and see what these guys are going to do. But in the meanwhile, do have a new windshield in. And also got the new sun visors in. Don't know if I showed that. Turn this light on here. It's always dark in the garage. But yeah, I don't know if I showed that. Got the new sun visors in there. So that's cool. Alright, that's an update on the old Jeep.